Hello everyone and welcome to English 5 at Edströmska. I will be teaching you this year and my name is Lisa Missing. And if you need to reach me, if you have any questions, then you can mail me at lisamissing@västerås.se. And the rest of the contact information will be given also when you arrive at school. During this year, we have some focus points. The first is, of course, from the curriculum, what you should be focusing on during this course. The students should be given the opportunities to develop, number one, the understanding of spoken and written language of different kinds. Number two, the ability to express themselves and communicate in English, both in speech and in writing. Number three, the ability to use different language strategies in different contexts. Number four, the ability to adapt language to different purposes, recipients and situations. Number five, the ability to discuss and reflect on living conditions, social issues, and cultural features in parts of the world where English is used. So this will be our focus areas. And there will be 4 steps to success during my course. The first step, be creative. It's very important that you use the knowledge that you already have. This could be experiences that you have from other courses or that you have from your life in general. It can be a hobby you have. You just use everything that you have in your surrounding. And we will bring that into our course. Take responsibility. This is for your own good. There will be deadlines with some tasks, and you need to keep the deadlines, and you need to take the responsibility of being here in school so that you don't get left behind with the things that we will be doing here. And also to involve yourself in the course. Since we will be doing things that require your presence. Also, show your knowledge. This is of course very important to me, but also important to you, that you will be able to show what you know. We will be doing some individual work in class, but you will also be doing group work. And when we do group work, it's very important that you do write a log. But I will inform you about that later on in the course. Number 4 of these steps is the most important, and that is that you use me. You can use me as support, and you can use me as a guide. You can use me if you're stuck in a task and you need help on how to move on. Or if you have any questions about what you're doing, or how to gather information, how to write, and I will also give you lots of feedbacks on everything that you do. So I will be here to aid you, so use me. And remember, always ask. You can never sit in my class wondering what to do. It's just to ask. And it's also possible to, of course, use your classmates, because there are going to be interactions. And we will aid each other, so there will not be any questions. But if there are any questions, remember always to ask. And think. Very important to think for yourselves. In order to do this, I have written down think. T is for thinking about. Is it true what I'm hearing or reading? H, is it helpful? I, is it inspiring? N, is it necessary? K, is it kind? So if you ask these questions and the answer is yes, then it is good information. And by that, I'm saying goodbye for now, and I see you in class.